Welcome to Colorado, a state where the earth reaches for the heavens. From the snow-capped Rockies to sun-drenched canyons, Colorado's landscapes captivate adventurers and dreamers. Join us as we explore the hidden wonders and iconic landmarks that make Colorado a natural masterpiece. Dominating the western horizon, the Rocky Mountains stand as a testament to nature's raw power. These majestic mountains stretch over 3,000 miles from Canada to New Mexico, but it is in Colorado that they reach their most awe-inspiring heights. Here, the Rockies are not just a range of mountains, they are a symbol of the untamed wilderness and the indomitable spirit of the American West. These peaks, sculpted by time, are home to 58 summits above 14,000 feet, the famed 14ers. Each of these towering giants presents a unique challenge to climbers and hikers, drawing adventurers from around the globe. Their slopes, cloaked in pine and aspen, rise to meet the sky, creating a breathtaking tapestry of green and gold that changes with the seasons. In the fall, the aspen leaves turn a brilliant yellow, contrasting sharply with the deep green of the pines. Their rocky faces, etched with millennia-old stories, tell tales of ancient seas, volcanic eruptions, and the relentless forces of erosion. These geological wonders are a living history book, offering a glimpse into the Earth's distant past. Here, amidst high meadows and glacial valleys, life thrives. These lush meadows are a haven for wildflowers in the spring and summer, painting the landscape with vibrant colors. The glacial valleys, carved by ancient ice flows, provide a stark contrast with their rugged beauty. Bighorn sheep navigate the steep terrain with an agility that seems almost supernatural. These sure-footed animals are a testament to the adaptability of wildlife in this harsh environment. Elk graze in verdant meadows, their presence a reminder of the rich biodiversity that these mountains support. In the fall, the haunting bugle of the elk can be heard echoing through the valleys, a call that signals the start of the mating season. And high above, the golden eagle circles effortlessly on the wind, its keen eyes scanning the ground below for prey. This majestic bird of prey is a symbol of freedom and power, embodying the spirit of the Rockies. These mountains offer sanctuary to countless species, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. The diverse ecosystems found here are a testament to the resilience of life in the face of extreme conditions. Within their embrace lie national treasures, Rocky Mountain National Park and Mesa Verde. These protected areas preserve not only the natural beauty of the Rockies, but also the cultural heritage of the indigenous peoples who have called this land home for thousands of years. For those drawn to the heights, the Rockies offer endless exploration. Trails wind through wildflower-strewn meadows, leading to hidden waterfalls and panoramic vistas. Each path offers a new adventure, a chance to connect with nature in its purest form. Trails wind through wildflower-strewn meadows, leading to hidden waterfalls and panoramic vistas. The sound of rushing water and the sight of a rainbow forming in the mist are rewards for those who venture off the beaten path. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the peaks, the Rockies take on an ethereal beauty. The sky is painted with hues of pink, orange, and purple, creating a stunning backdrop for the rugged silhouette of the mountains. It is a moment of pure magic, a reminder of nature's power and majesty. In these fleeting moments, one can truly appreciate the grandeur of Colorado's majestic crown, the Rocky Mountains. Across the landscape is like witnessing a living piece of history. Prairie dogs pop in and out of their burrows, These small social animals are vital to the ecosystem, creating habitats for other species and aerating the soil. Their playful antics are a delight to observe. Life on the prairie is a delicate dance for survival, from the blooming wildflowers that attract pollinators to the intricate food webs that sustain predators and prey. Every element is interconnected. Burrowing owls nest in abandoned prairie dog holes, while hawks scan the grasslands for prey. These birds of prey are masters of the sky, their keen eyesight allowing them to spot the slightest movement below. Pronghorn race across the plains, their hooves barely touching the ground. Known for their incredible speed, they are the fastest land animals in North America, capable of reaching speeds up to 55 miles per hour. The Great Plains are a vital ecosystem, a testament to nature's resilience. This region supports a diverse array of wildlife and plant species, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of this unique environment. The Great Plains remind us of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. Venturing southwest, we enter a realm where time stands still, a land sculpted by wind and water. Towering sandstone cliffs, painted in crimson and ochre, rise from the desert floor. This is a land of extremes where scorching days give way to cool, star-filled nights, yet life persists. Cacti dot the landscape, concealing moisture. Lizards dart between rocks, shimmering in the sunlight. High above, condors soar on thermals. Colorado National Monument showcases this dramatic landscape. Further south, the San Juan Mountains rise abruptly, their peaks capped with snow even in summer. No journey through Colorado is complete without its lifeblood, the rivers and waterfalls. These natural wonders are not just scenic marvels, they are the veins and arteries that sustain the diverse ecosystems and communities throughout the state. From the high-altitude peaks to the low-lying valleys, water is the essential element that breathes life into Colorado's landscapes. From the Rockies' snowmelt to the arid canyons, water sustains this land. The journey of water begins high in the Rocky Mountains, where snow accumulates during the winter months. As temperatures rise, this snow transforms into a vital flow that cascades down the mountainsides, feeding rivers and streams. This process is crucial for maintaining the delicate balance of Colorado's ecosystems. The Colorado River, originating in the Rockies, carves canyons and shapes landscapes. This mighty river travels over 1,400 miles, cutting through rock and earth to create some of the most breathtaking geological formations in the world. Its relentless flow has sculpted the land over millennia, leaving behind a legacy of natural beauty and wonder. Its journey culminates in the Grand Canyon, a testament to water's power. The Grand Canyon stands as a monumental reminder of the sheer force and persistence of water. Over millions of years, the Colorado River has carved this immense chasm, revealing layers of Earth's history and creating a landscape that draws millions of visitors each year. Colorado's waterways are not just grand spectacles, they are also vital habitats for a myriad of plant and animal species. These rivers and streams provide the necessary resources for wildlife to thrive, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. The health of these waterways is directly linked to the overall health of the environment. Rivers and streams meander through forests and meadows. As they wind their way through the landscape, they create lush, green corridors that support a diverse array of flora and fauna. These waterways are the lifeblood of the forests and meadows, ensuring that these ecosystems remain vibrant and resilient. Trout leap from the water, herons stand poised, and otters frolic in the currents. These scenes of wildlife are a testament to the rich biodiversity supported by Colorado's waterways. Each species plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance, and their presence is a sign of a healthy, thriving environment. From Grand Lake to Seven Falls, Colorado's aquatic realms offer serenity and beauty. These locations are not only picturesque, but also provide recreational opportunities for residents and visitors alike. Whether it's fishing, kayaking, or simply enjoying the tranquil scenery, these aquatic spots are cherished by all who experience them. These waterways remind us of the interconnectedness of all living things. Water is the common thread that links every aspect of life in Colorado, from the highest mountain peaks to the deepest canyons. It is a precious resource that must be protected and cherished, for it sustains not only the natural world, but also the human communities that depend on it. Colorado's diverse landscapes provide a haven for a remarkable array of wildlife. Each ecosystem supports a delicate web of life. In the high country, black bears lumber through forests, elk bugle their haunting calls across valleys. Bighorn sheep navigate treacherous terrain, descend into lower elevations, and the landscape transforms. Mule deer browse on the edges of forests and meadows. Coyotes patrol their territories. Raptors, from golden eagles to kestrels, soar on thermals. Colorado is a birdwatcher's paradise with over 400 species. Hummingbirds flit from flower to flower. Sandhill cranes perform elegant mating dances. Beyond its mountains and plains, Colorado boasts natural wonders. In the shadow of Pikes Peak lies the Garden of the Gods. Towering sandstone formations rise from the earth, glowing in the sunlight. A walk through this wonderland is a journey through time. The Black Canyon of the Gunnison reveals erosion's raw power. The Gunnison River has carved a deep chasm through the earth. To stand on the canyon's rim is to experience vertigo and awe. Pikes Peak offers breathtaking panoramic views. Colorado's diverse geography gives rise to varied climates. From arid deserts to alpine tundra, the state experiences a spectrum of weather. In the eastern plains, summers are hot and dry. Winters can be bitterly cold, with snowstorms sweeping across the prairies. As one ascends into the mountains, the climate changes dramatically. Temperatures drop and precipitation increases, particularly in winter. The high peaks are often shrouded in clouds, cloaked in snow even in summer. This variation in climate contributes to Colorado's remarkable biodiversity. As our journey through Colorado's wonders ends, we are left with awe and appreciation. From the Rockies to the Great Plains, Colorado's landscapes captivate and inspire. Until next time, keep exploring and let the spirit of Colorado ignite your sense of wonder.